Hello everybody, Kostas Albanidis or Konstantinos if you like it over here, and I would like to show you to this very interesting video. Um, Give me a moment to make the sound a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna show you to this very short video how you can disable the messenger to your page, to your Facebook page. It seems like lately more and more people have a problem with a lot of bots or even real human that they are trying to steal your card and personal data, and they pretend to be the support of Meta and sending you a lot of messages saying that you have done something illegal and that they're gonna block your web page, your Facebook page, and you're gonna have to, to send an email or to usually click on a button and appeal about this accusation. Okay, so if you're not using Messenger, that's really annoying because you all the time you see this kind of messages. I prefer to communicate with my customers and my friends using the phone or with the email or using other ways of communication like Viber, Skype, and all those stuff, or even my personal messenger to my personal account to Facebook. It's not nice to have a lot of pages and to each one of them to have every day about 4 or 10 messages about that your page is it's gonna be blocked and all those stuff. Okay, I guess you have this experience every day. So to this video I'm gonna show you very fast how you can disable the messenger to one of your pages. Okay, to this video I'm going to select see all profiles here. I'm going to select my the Infogate technology. Okay, great. Selecting Infogate technology, then I'm going to settings and privacy, and then I move to settings. The settings you're gonna see here. I am going to the privacy, and over here you see that there is this option that it says messaging. Allow people and pages to message your page. You want to select edit, and you want to turn this option off and select close. That was all. I hope that was really helpful, and you're gonna find peace and earn some more time, not to having to worry about this kind of fake messages. As if there would be something that's really necessary to do from for Facebook, you're gonna have an official email from the Meta support, not from the messaging. So on that way, okay, you have the opportunity not to spend time on Messenger and have to do with all this spam and those bots. But on the other hand, the people that they're interested to your page, they're not going to be able to send a message straight to your page. They're gonna be able, although, to use your personal messenger. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you soon to another one. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and why not, share with your friends. Ciao.